All right, so we are going to make some sunflower corsages. So starting off, we went ahead and pulled off the stems and we made sure that we cut them super short, as you can see on the back, so they were easily glued on. So next steps, we're taking another piece of flower and some jewels and just tying those together. As you can see I'm doing here, we kind of looped it around, that way it could stay together in one piece when we hot glued it onto the actual wristlet. And so now I'm just gluing the piece that you guys saw me tie together in the last clip onto the back of the sunflower. Whenever you're doing this, you need to make sure that you use some scissors or some other object, because if you glue it on and then immediately try to press your finger down, you're gonna burn your finger. So as you can see, I'm using scissors to make sure that it does not burn me. And so I did 2 sets of those, so one on the left, one on the right. So just kind of repeating this process. And then once that was done, I did let it dry a little bit. And then next I kind of moved on to the next step. All right, so yes, next step, we've got our wristlet, which we glued to the leaves already. And then we just glued that on the end, and then boom, we have a wristlet. These are super cute. Add glue as needed to make sure that everything stays intact, but we saved a lot of money by DIYing these corsages ourselves. I believe my sister was quoted like $800 to make 30 of these, and we did it ourselves for literally less than half. And so as you can see, this is the rest of the wristlets that we made, and we used this green foam to kind of keep them together. Super cute, and love how they turned out.